My name is Nathalie Wahl, and I'm a professor at the University of Copenhagen. So the title of my lecture is Stabilizing One Arc at a Time. I'll talk about something called homological stability, which is something I've worked quite a lot with. And the idea is somehow to study certain types of objects, letting them, stabilizing them in some way can make them easier. For example, if you have a matrix, you could let the matrix become bigger and bigger by, say, adding a 1 at the bottom and zeros along the rest of the rows and columns, or a surface you could give it bigger and bigger genus. So I'll try to make this concrete in my lecture and explain why it helps and give examples of how you can do it. So it has been a pleasure to come back here at the INI. I was here in particular for a full program in 2018, where we had a lot of, really fun interactions. I think this small building in which we are together around this common area is a very pleasant place to be and work and meet. I also enjoyed very much the rhythm of the program. I see that the program this time is actually very similar to the one I was part of a few years ago, with just 2 days where in the afternoon we have lectures, long lectures one day, and very short ones another day, and a little bit of social events, and then otherwise lunches. I think we have many opportunities to meet and talk, and this is great.